Just get the very corner of your tape, right? You know that's where that next hole's gonna be. And just jam it into the Gyprock. So quick tip here, I've got this second line of, I've got this second laser set up for the next line of lights. And you know, I'm only one man up here, I'm working on my own. So I can get 1.8 meters out of the tape, right? That's fine. Okay, 1.8, there it is. Okay. I'm gonna mark that. That's where that first downlight's going. Now, I can't go 3, 4, 5 meters with a tape. It just doesn't work out. You lose your accuracy or whatever. Now, this is my not so good tape, right? This isn't my finishing tape or anything. If you're on your own like this, just get the very corner of your tape, right? You know that's where that next hole's gonna be, and just jam it into the Gyprock, right? Happy days. Now I can go another 1.8. Now that's not perfect yet, like a cumulative error, but room's only 8 meters long. There's only 4 lights to go. People are going to pick me for 3, 4 mil. Okay, so that's jammed right in on that line. Pretty accurate, and I'm not holding the tape at 0. And I'm not holding the tape at 0.